MATC's overall benefit plan has long been recognized and valued because of its comprehensiveness and competitiveness in the market. We strive to provide high-quality, affordable, family-friendly benefit offerings to meet the needs of our diverse workforce and encourage a healthy work-life balance. We are also committed to providing excellent customer service and resources to help employees and their families best utilize these valuable benefit programs, which are a substantial component of your overall compensation package. This benefit orientation will provide an overview of those benefits so you understand what they are and how you can participate. MATC offers 2 health plans to choose from. Both plans allow you to utilize physicians either in or out of the network of physicians and will still provide a level of benefit. However, if you stay within the network of physicians, the level of benefit provided will be higher. The network of physicians used is United Healthcare Choice Plus. Most services require an annual deductible to be met before services are paid. There is also an annual out-of-pocket limit, which once is met, some services may be covered at 100% for the remainder of the year. Both insurance plans include a prescription drug benefit. New hires are eligible for coverage the first of the month after their hire date. If you do not submit the enrollment forms within the first 30 days of employment, you will have an opportunity to enroll during the next open enrollment period, which is held each spring. The plans have different deductibles, out-of-pocket maximums, and costs. You are responsible for an employee share of the premium, and the percentage of the employee share depends upon your participation in the wellness health appraisal process for you and your covered spouse, if applicable. Dependent children are eligible through the end of the month in which they turn age 26. Proof of dependent eligibility is required for all dependents, such as marriage certificates, birth certificates, etc. Please see your benefits materials for acceptable documents. Both plans include an annual eye exam and a $125 reimbursement towards glasses or contact lenses. There is the availability to opt out of the health insurance plan on a fiscal year basis with proof of other health insurance coverage. If you have health insurance coverage in place and are able to provide proof of this coverage, you may complete the appropriate forms. The fiscal year opt-out reimbursement is $525. MATC offers a traditional dental plan through Delta. With this plan, you can choose any dentist or dental facility that you would like to use. If you stay within the Delta network of providers, you will not experience any over-reasonable and customary charges. The plan is effective the first of the month after your full-time hire date, provided you complete and return the proper enrollment forms. If you do not submit the enrollment forms within the first 30 days, you will have an opportunity to enroll during the next open enrollment period, which is held each spring. Dependent children are eligible through the end of the month in which they turn age 26. Proof of dependent eligibility is required for all dependents, such as marriage certificates, birth certificates, etc. Please see your benefits materials for acceptable documents. The dental plan covers preventative, routine restorations. Annual maximum per covered person is $2,500. This is the maximum amount in which Delta will pay for services during a calendar year. There is also an orthodontics benefit for dependent children up to age 19. This benefit is a lifetime maximum of $1,500. The college provides a competitive sick leave benefit to eligible employees. The purpose of sick leave is to provide income replacement for employees who are absent due to personal illness of the employee or a member of the employee's immediate family, including absences for periods of short-term disability. Sick leave may also be used for compelling personal reasons, or CPR, which are absences that do not involve illness of the employee, but include personal emergencies, transportation emergencies, court proceedings, bereavement-related absences, and similar circumstances. Sick leave is available to employees upon hire. The normal sick leave allotment is granted each September 1st for the period of September 1st through August 31st. If you are hired in between that period, you will be granted a prorated amount of hours. Sick leave accumulates year over year to a maximum of 150 full days. Hours beyond that will be added to a half-pay sick leave account, which is unlimited. MATC also provides vacation to eligible employees, which is pre-scheduled time off for the purposes of rest and relaxation. Vacation is to be scheduled and approved by the employee's supervisor prior to use, and employees are eligible to use paid vacation for time away from regularly scheduled work. Vacation is granted each April 1st for the accrual period of July 1st of the previous year through June 30th of the current year. The vacation accrual rate is based upon your position and years of service. Please refer to the handbook for the accrual rate information. Additionally, you may carry over 20% of the previous year's allotment beyond June 30th of each year. MATC provides paid holidays for employees who are regularly scheduled to work on the day of the holiday celebration. MATC pays for 11 holidays during the school year. They are New Year's Day, Martin Luther King Jr. Day, the Friday before spring break, Memorial Day, July 4th, Labor Day, Thanksgiving Day, the day after Thanksgiving, Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, and New Year's Eve. You are also eligible for 2 days of flexible holidays each July 1st, which must be used by the following June 30th. Flexible holidays are similar to vacation in that they must be pre-scheduled and approved by your supervisor, but they do allow time away from work on any day of your choosing throughout the year. No carryover of personal holidays is permitted beyond the June 30th date, and personal holidays must be used in increments of full or half days. In order to help protect you and your loved ones from the unexpected, MATC also offers life insurance and accidental death and dismemberment coverage. MATC provides life insurance equal to 1 times your annual salary, rounded to the higher thousand. This policy will be reviewed each year to determine value. The accidental death and dismemberment benefit for employees is available to those employees under the age of 65. Supplemental life insurance is also available at group rates for you, your spouse, and your dependents. MATC is a participating employer in the statewide Wisconsin Retirement System, or WRS, pension system, which is controlled and operated by the state of Wisconsin. The Wisconsin Retirement System provides retirement pension benefits to eligible MATC employees and is one of the best funded pension programs in the country. Employees who are hired full-time for greater than 1 year of employment are effective in the WRS system on the date of hire. Employees not hired for greater than 1 year will be reviewed each pay period or during a status change to determine eligibility. MATC pays the employer portion, and employees are responsible for the employee portion. The deductions are pre-tax, and there is not an option to opt out. There is a vesting period of 5 years for employer contributions if you are first eligible for WRS on or after July 1st, 2011. This benefit includes a variety of annuity options and a death benefit. MATC provides a comprehensive flexible spending account, or FSA program, to allow employees to designate pre-tax contributions to designated accounts used to pay for qualifying medical expenses or dependent care expenses. Enrollment in the program is voluntary, and no employees are automatically enrolled or re-enrolled. Some examples of expenses that can be paid through FSA accounts include deductibles, vision expenses not covered by an insurance plan, prescription drug copays, and qualifying child care expenses. This is available upon your date of hire, and then election is annual thereafter based on a calendar year during each open enrollment. The provisions are governed by IRS rules. There is an option for direct deposit of reimbursement. Also, any UMR PPO health insurance members have an option to have medical and prescription claims automatically reimbursed through their FSA. More details regarding the plan are provided in the benefits packet. MATC is dedicated to providing a safe work environment for all employees. Employees are expected to report all work-related accidents or illnesses, no matter how big or small, immediately or as soon as possible, preferably within 24 hours. The employee and supervisor must each submit the incident report form to Human Resources. Incident reporting forms are available through My MATC under the Quick Links area. FMLA, or the Family Medical Leave Act, is a law that provides eligible employees with a leave from work for a qualifying reason. MATC complies with the requirements of the federal and Wisconsin Family and Medical Leave Acts. As such, you are eligible after 1 year of service and must meet the hours requirement. Federal and Wisconsin FMLA leave will run concurrently to the extent provided by law. If you require leave for birth or adoption of a child, serious health condition of yourself, parent, spouse, or child, or a military exigency or covered service member, please see Human Resources for more information. All employees are eligible for confidential assistance through the Employee Assistance Program for a variety of problems, including family discord, financial difficulties, child care and elder care assistance, substance abuse, and more. The EAP is through Aurora and is free to you as an employee. Long-term disability is designed to protect employees from loss of income in the event the employee becomes totally disabled from work. MATC offers group long-term disability insurance. This benefit program is currently fully paid by the college with no contribution required from the employee. Long-term disability insurance is effective after 30 days of employment and is paid by MATC. Long-term disability provides a benefit of 66 2/3% of the gross monthly income following a waiting period if you become disabled. The benefit may continue to age 65 if the disability continues. MATC is committed to furthering the continued education, professional, and personal growth of all employees through appropriate training and education at regionally accredited institutions. As such, the college offers a tuition reimbursement and a tuition waiver program for eligible employees. Employees are eligible after the completion of their probationary period or 1 year of employment, whichever is shorter. Full-time eligible employees are allowed up to $1,400 in tuition reimbursement or 12 MATC credits in tuition waiver per fiscal year. Part-time employees are eligible for half those amounts. Tuition reimbursement is a benefit that is specifically used to reimburse employees for the tuition cost of courses taken outside of MATC at a regionally accredited institution. Tuition waiver benefits are specific to courses that an employee takes at MATC and is where the tuition is waived instead of reimbursed. More information regarding the tuition benefits at MATC can be found in the Employee Handbook or by contacting Human Resources. This concludes the benefits orientation video. If you still have questions about the benefits available to you, please contact Human Resources at the numbers found on the screen. Thank you for watching and welcome to MATC.